And we'll start off with this onion. And it's quite a large onion, but we're going to cut it into small pieces. We'll half it, and then we'll slice it as thin as we can, and then cut back through it to get little pieces. And then I'm going to cut up one red pepper. So I'm just going to pop a pan on medium heat, and we'll add a bit of oil, and we'll get those onions in, and I'm going to pop those peppers in at the same time, and we'll give them a mix. And we just want to sweat these for a while, just to soften them. And I'm going to add a bit of salt to that, and some black pepper, about a teaspoon of garlic granules as well, and then a tablespoon of chilli powder. And what I'll do is I'll add that amount first, and I'll taste it later, and if needs be, I'll add a little more. We'll get that all combined. And then I'm going to add a tin of Italian tomatoes. And these are sun-dried, and they also contain herbs. And then I've got a tin of red kidney beans, and I'm putting them in, juice and all. And a tin of mixed beans, and they've been washed. Then I'm going to add a cup of water, and we'll get that up to temperature. So I'm just going to very quickly, with a bit of oil, brown this mince off, and then we can drain off the excess fat before we move it. So we'll get this all broken up and browned off. That's coming along nicely now. But you always do get quite a bit of oil coming out of this beef, and that's why I like to cook it separate and then drain it. And then you'll hear it start to sizzle a bit more, so you're getting a nice bit of a brown on it. And that's done. The great thing about these meals is that they're slow cooker friendly, so you can make it ahead to enjoy when you're ready later on. You could also make it and freeze it. So make up a big batch, portion it, and it's ready when you want it. Let's get that meat in. And that's your homemade chilli finished. So you can either pop that in slow cooker until later on, or you can serve it now. And why not add a little bit of white rice or some garlic bread.